Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to deal with oily skin. If you have extremely oily skin, this DIY is all for you. I know some of you will be like, but Prachi, you have dry skin, so how are you talking about oily skin? Well guys, my skin actually got dry since I moved to Bangalore, which was about 5.5 years back. Before that, when I was in Kolkata, if you see my older videos, you'll see I used to constantly complain about how oily my skin is. So, when you're shifting locations, changing weather conditions and things like that can also change how your skin is behaving and feeling. So now my skin is dry, but previously my skin used to be very, very oily. You can check my previous videos for if you want confirmation on that. So this is a DIY I used to use back then. It's a very simple, very natural DIY, and it will instantly suck away all the excess oil from your skin. If you have acne prone skin, even then just keep watching. So first, let's talk about what ingredients we'll be using. We'll be using very few ingredients. We'll be using sandalwood powder, Fuller's Earth powder, and we'll be using rose water. And for face wash, I'm just using a green tea face wash. So let's understand the ingredients first, okay? First, we have the sandalwood powder, for which I'm using the Vyam Ayurveda Sandalwood Acne Fighting Pack. Why this product, guys? Vyam Ayurveda products generally, and even this one, completely herbal, completely pure, very, very clean. So no parabens, no sulfates, no bad things added to it. And sandalwood in itself, it has these amazing properties. Sandalwood, first of all, helps to suck away the oil. Okay. Sandalwood is also great if you are dealing with acne and bacterial infections. Sandalwood powder is also brilliant if you have blemishes, dark spots, acne marks, uneven skin tone. So sandalwood is a big thumbs up, okay? And as for Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth powder, in Hindi we call it Multani Mitti, in English it's called Fuller's Earth powder. I'm using the Good Vibes Fuller's Earth powder, which once again is a paraben, sulfate and cruelty-free formula. It's not even a formula, it's just pure clean powder. It's very, very clean, very, very pure. And what does Fuller's Earth do? Let's understand the ingredients. Fuller's Earth is great if you have oily skin, okay? It depot cleanses your skin, okay? Which is why, if you might have noticed, in the previous generations, women used to bathe with Fuller's Earth. The queens used to use Fuller's Earth every day. You can do that if you have oily skin. It's great for sucking out the excess oil from your skin. Fuller's Earth, by the way, can also be used on the scalp. We'll not talk about that today, but just for your information, this particular powder is something which you can use on your scalp as well, because it helps to treat dandruff and all the accumulated oils and everything, okay? So these are the two powder ingredients that we are using. On top of that, we'll also be using rose water, for which I have with me the Alps Goodness Rose Water, which is great for clearing excess oil, impurities, toning your skin. Rose water is also very good if you have skin irritation, which is calming your skin down. It's amazing, right? Rose water is used in a lot of DIYs, even as it is as a toner, so it has a lot of benefits. By the way, guys, on that note, all the products that I am using in this video, like these are some of my personal favorite products. I will share all the links in the description box below. They're all available on purple.com, which is also currently running the I Heart Beauty sale, where you can save up to 50% off on your purchase. The dates of the sale are 7th of February to 14th of February, so make sure you check it out. And now for the DIY in itself. Now first we're going to take a little bit of sandalwood powder. You can take about half teaspoon sandalwood powder, okay? And to this we'll add another half teaspoon of Fuller's Earth powder, so we're taking them in equal quantities. And to this, mix lots and lots of rose water. Now here's a quick tip that I want to share with you all. Immediately after making this mixture, apply it on your face. Don't wait for too long, because it will start drying naturally, okay? And number two, this mixture is great for people with oily skin, but sometimes it can dry out your skin too much, depending on how oily your skin is, right? Like if your skin is very, very, very oily, it will be fine. But if your skin is only just a little bit oily, your skin might start feeling a little too dry. So the next time what you do is, in case your skin starts to feel a bit dry, what you do is, the next time you use this DIY, add like half a teaspoon of milk, half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of milk as well. First time make it without the milk, see how your skin responds, and the next time if required, add a bit of milk, okay? Today we'll not be adding any milk, we'll just mix everything really, really well. And before applying this face pack, I'm just going to use a little bit of face wash. I'm using the Good Vibes Green Tea Purifying Face Wash with no parabens, no mineral oil and no animal testing. It contains aloe vera to nourish and repair the skin, tea tree to soothe and calm the skin, and olive oil to cleanse in the skin, also neem to clean the pores really well. After washing the face, apply this all over your face and leave it on for not more than 10 minutes, guys. Don't leave it for too long, because it can be extremely drying if you leave it for too long. And just wash it with normal room temperature water, and that's it. Now here's the thing about this DIY, because it is so natural and so clean, you can also use this every single day. But again, just make sure that your skin is not getting too dry, okay? Like, it's great for people with oily skin, but sometimes even for people with oily skin, it can make your skin too dry. So you can use it every single day, but just see how your skin is responding and then decide, okay? And yes, that's all I wanted to share in today's video, guys. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description box below, because the products that I have handpicked, I genuinely love them so much. They are very good quality ingredients, good products, and great for people with oily skin, oily acne prone skin, so why not? And of course, on the iHeart Beauty sale, you can save some extra money. So yes, thanks for watching this video now, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you find some really cool tips and tricks. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.